Yo, what's up guys? This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping and I'm out here in the serene forest. Today is Wednesday and you know what that means. It is What Is It Wednesday. So every week I try and put a video out showing a plant, and I want everybody who watches this to try and identify this plant based off of what I show you. The winners, meaning that you guessed it right, you submitted an answer by Friday at midnight and you won the random drawing, will receive a $10 prize. And that $10 prize can be a $10 gift card to any brand of your choice. I'll either mail it or email you a digital one. You can take $10 off our online nursery where we have a whole bunch of great plants for sale, or you can choose to donate that $10 to any nonprofit of your choice, and I'll just shoot it straight there and show you the receipt to prove that that's where it went. So we hope that you guys participate, and we hope you guys have fun in this week's What Is It Wednesday. All right, so let's go ahead and start talking about this plant. Forgive me, I'm standing in the rain. It's been a rainy Wednesday out here in Central Florida, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this week's plant. All right, so it just so happens that it's blooming right now, which is pretty cool that you guys are getting to see. The blooms come off of the main stem here, or the trunk if you want to call it that. I have this imposter vine that's growing up, so don't worry about that. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about this tall upright plant. Grows very, very quickly. I think this started about 3 feet tall and it's already about, up to my top of my head at 6 feet. Let's go ahead and show you a leaf. This might be one of the easiest giveaways for you guys. And you know what? I'll give you one more hint. This will produce food. This is a fruit producing, I guess you could call it a tree. It will get nice and tall like a tree. So there you have it, guys. That's this week's plant. Hope you guys will participate and submit your answers to me. You can either comment on this, whatever platform this video is on. You can send me a message. You can also email me at fol.landscapes@gmail.com. All of those are valid ways to send me your responses. And I just want you guys to know that even if you don't know the answer to this, I encourage you to participate anyways. And the reason is because for every 10 participants, we end up donating money to some nonprofits that are involved in the conservation of wildlife and plants and just state land. And basically everything conservation in Florida. Some of those groups are the Florida Native Plant Society, the Florida Wildflower Foundation, the Florida Wildlife Federation, and many more. So we really like raising money for them, and we've been blessed in our business to be able to do so. So we want to use What Is It Wednesday as an opportunity to not only talk about plants, but to also give back. So please donate, guys, or not, I'll be the one donating. Please participate, guys, and I hope that you guys have fun with this. I should have a video up on sometime over the weekend with the reveal of what this plant is and announcing this week's winner. I hope that we will have a winner. Last week we did not have a winner. In fact, participation was pretty low last week, so I really didn't dedicate a whole lot of time to even doing a reveal video. I'm sorry about that, guys, but it's hard to justify a reveal video when you're not getting a whole lot of participation. So we're going to continue to try and do What Is It Wednesday, and if I get some decent feedback on this week in the next couple of weeks, then I'll keep doing it. If not, we'll have to look and see if there's anything more productive and more interesting for you guys out there that you would like me to spend time on instead of this. But I hope that you guys will end up participating, and I hope you really do enjoy this, because I really think that the intent here is good. I think it could be a cool weekly thing for people to learn, and there's a prize involved. So I mean, that's already a great thing. There's no purchasing or anything. There's no money involved except for from me to you or to the nonprofit. So don't let any reservations about that hold you back. So anyway, this video is a little bit longer than most of my What Is It Wednesdays, but I felt like that was necessary to talk about. So hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you guys are really chugging along towards the weekend, and God bless you. Bye.